Let's take a look on the first problem here using the FIU bridge accident report. Please answer the following question. Question A is who developed the report? So let's open the report. As you can see, this is a report. Where did I get the report here? Similar to the course project, this is the location that I got the report. This is the OSHA website, and if you go all the way here, you're gonna see the report of the FIU bridge collapse. This is the one that I download and use that for the case study we have today. All right, so the correct answer is that OSHA is the author of the report. Specifically, you have Mr. Ayub over here. He is the one that prepared the report. However, he just the representative in the report over here. There are probably many other people contributed to created this report. So the correct answer of this one is OSHA. OSHA stands for Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Question number 2. When and where did the accident happen? So if you take a look on the report, if you read that one carefully, go all the way down into the detail here, you can see that this is the time it's collapsed, and the location of that is in FIU, Florida International University. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you're gonna see the location of the bridge is in the intersection of the A Street and 109 Avenue is around here. If you look it up on Google, you're gonna see that this is the intersection. This is the A Street. The one over here is 109 Avenue over here. And then the bridge is here. You see that they still have the pier of the bridge in this location nowadays. And it's crossing the area from here to here. Okay? Next question is how many people got injured or died, or what is the consequences of the accident? So if you read over here, you can see that one employee and 5 people has died, and another employee is permanently disabled. So this accident is very serious and kill lots of people. Next one is what is the construction method applied in the project? Briefly explain the idea of that method. So if you read here, you can see that the method called ABC or accelerated bridge construction. So which means the construction over here will be accelerated. It will provide a shorter schedule. Let's take a the video over here, and then you can learn better about the ABC method. So the method over here is to cast the bridge on the side of the road, so there is no traffic disruption. After that, they will use a big crane like this to move the bridge to the side. The method over here, if we done that correctly, is a very good method because it's reduce the traffic disruption. However, because it requires moving of the bridge over here, so the design of the bridge over here need to be very accurate. So we can avoid any safety issue happen. Next question, who funded the project, how much, and by which program? If you take on the same page, page number 9, here you see that the bridge was financed through the federal grant. And if you look on the page 13 over here, you see that this one, the federal grant Tiger fund the project $19 million. What is Tiger? Tiger stands for Transportation Investment Generating Economic Recovery. If you check the website of Federal Highway Administration, you see that Tiger is over here. That is Transportation Investment Generating Economic Recovery. This one is started under Obama administration. After that, it changed the name to Better Utilizing Investment to Leverage Development, which is the abbreviation is BUILD under Trump administration. And then under Biden administration, it changed the name again to Rebuilding American Infrastructure with Sustainability and Equity Rise over here. So under each presidential administration, it changed the name, but the objective is the same, is to fund the infrastructure development in the US. Question number 2, using the same report, who are the owner, the GC, the designer of the project? So if you go all the way to page 16 over here, you can see that the owner is obviously FIU, Florida International University. The GC of the project is the general contractor. This is Munila Construction Management, or MCM, abbreviation the MCM. The designer is FIC, or FIC Bridge Engineer. So we have this one is designer, GC, owner. What type of project delivery method apply in the project? Design bid build, CM at risk, CM agency, or CM at risk. So if you took the class in construction seminar, we already discussed a little bit about this one, and hopefully you see that in another class as well. So the project delivery method is the way that how a team are organized in a project. And if you look over here, you can see that one is design build. As you can see over here, design build is that FIC. You see FIC is the engineer or the designer of the project over here. You see FIC. FIC is report. FIC report directly to MCM is the Munila Construction Management. They are the design build company. As you can see over here, this figure can explain quickly the idea about design build and design bid build. You can look it up on Google. There's a lot of information that you can read more, but I can tell generally around here. So design bid build, you have the owner sign a contract with the architect or designer. In this case, we have the bridge, so they will hire engineer rather than architect to design for the bridge. And the architect over here will take responsibility for the accuracy of the design. So if anything wrong with the design, the architect here will pay the consequences or to pay the penalty, the fine for the error in the design. And then after they done with the design, they return back to the owner. The owner will we call for the bid, and then multiple builder will bid on the project. And then finally, the owner will select the builder based on qualification and the low price. And after they come up with the builder will take care the construction based on the design that the architect or engineer over here come up with. If something wrong with the design, the architect or the engineer will take responsibility for that. If there are anything wrong with the construction, which means the design is correct but the construction is have problem, the builder will take responsibility for that. So this is design bid build. This is very common in the industry right now. And then we have the design bid build. Design bid build, the owner will sign only one single contract with the design build company. You see over here, owner sign two contracts, one contract with architect, one contract with builder. Over here, the owner just sign one single contract with the design builder company. So this guy over here will receive a lot of money. And then the method over here will be more efficient because the design builder over here can hire the design company, or they can have in their company a design department and will take care for the designing as well. So usually design builder over here is a big company. In this case, in our project, design builder over here is MCM. However, they don't have the design department in-house, so they have to subcontract that for the FIC engineer. And then they can hire some couple consultants, subcontractor to work for them, similar to design bid build. However, the main difference between design build and design bid build is that the owner sign one contract here. Here, the owner sign two contract. So which means something wrong with the design or construction or whatever, anything happen in the project over here, the design builder will be the one that take care for the whole responsibility for the project. So you can see over here, because MCM is the design builder. So without reading the report over here, I know immediately that MCM will be in charge for this accident happen. Okay, this accident happened regardless the fault of MCM under construction or FIC in the design. However, if this one is design bid build, if we have error in design, then FIC will take care for that responsibility. If we have the error in construction, MCM will take care for that. However, this one is not design bid build. This is design build. Design build. You see that design builder over here. So MCM will take care for everything happen in this project. Next question: who is the main player of the design build team? If you guys want, you guys can copy the whole page over here. That are they are all the main player of the project. So we have the Louis Berger Group is the independent peer review. The Boston BPA over here is the CEI that is certified. Let me check what is the abbreviation of that. That is the construction engineering inspection. So this guy is the inspector. Okay? This is the subcontractor. This is post-tensioning subcontractor. This is formwork and scaffolding subcontractor. This is the precast bridge transporter subcontractor, crane subcontractor, concrete supplier, CMAC is supplier, coordinator, Corradino is post-tensioning inspection. Okay, so we have two inspection over here. This one is in charge, the BPA in charge for the overall inspection of the project, and the Corradino in charge for the post-tensioning inspection. All of these are the main player of the project. Did FIU hire any third party to check the work of the design build team, and who? So you can see over here the organization diagram. FIU hired the BPA. BPA is the inspector. They don't report to MCM. Instead of that, they report directly to FIU. They are independent inspector, and they work directly. The BPA over here, they work directly with the owner. Why? Because over here you see that the owner signed one single contract with the design builder. So all the communication, all the information, the owner can only know from the design builder over here. If something wrong and the contractor try to hide that, the owner will not know. So therefore they need to hire independent inspector to take care for that. And that is BPA. Next question, how many construction stages are there in the project? What are they? And which stage that we have the accident happen? So if you take a look on page 19 over here, you can see that we have 8 stages. So stage 1 is substructure casting, so which means they will build of the foundation, the pier, everything like that. Stage 2 is superstructure precasting, so which means they will build a bridge on the side, similar to the video that I showed you previously. So which means they will cast the bridge on the side, and then they will erect the main span of the bridge. This is the stage that we have the accident happen. How do I know that? If you look all the way up here and you read carefully, you see that they say the third stage is where is it? So you can see over here the incident occur in the third stage. So the collapse happened in the third stage. So the answer of that is we have 8 stages, and the accident happened in the third stage. Okay. What I want you guys to do is to document what we discussed so far into the, you can type that or you can write that and take a screenshot, and don't forget to submit that one into the worksheet.